Welcome to Masterminds in Maintenance, your go-to series for insights from leading professionals in the field of maintenance and reliability. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep. Today, we're in for a treat as we get a behind-the-scenes look at the journey of a mechanical production engineer, Andy Gailey, and the tips and strategies he employs to increase uptime for his clients. So, stay tuned to glean some actionable advice from his 4 decades of experience in the industry. On today's episode, we're excited to have Andy Gailey with us. Andy is the founding director of Uptime Consultant, a reliability consultancy that helps clients boost their productivity. He'll share his journey in the maintenance and reliability industry and how he guides others on their path in the same field. Andy's journey is indeed captivating. From his childhood days of playing with Lego and Meccano to his apprenticeship in mechanical engineering and his work in various sectors, including aerospace, automotive, and the food and beverage sector with PepsiCo, Andy's passion for engineering has always been evident. Today, he leverages his vast experience to assist clients like Nissan, National Grid, and PepsiCo, among others. But what truly stands out is Andy's approach to learning and sharing knowledge. He believes in the philosophy of lifelong learning. This belief spurred him to establish the Uptime Academy, a platform where he imparts his knowledge and experiences to others for free. Andy's mission is not to accumulate wealth, but to aid others in their maintenance and reliability journey. The current global pandemic has significantly impacted various industries, including maintenance and reliability. Andy opines that this situation might speed up the adoption of Industry 4.0 technologies. He envisions a future where connected technologies will fill the void left by the retiring boomer generation. Reflecting on his career, Andy wishes more people understood the necessity of communication between operations and maintenance teams. He asserts that maintenance and engineering enable productivity, and this message ought to be more widely disseminated. If you'd like to connect with Andy and continue learning from him, you can visit his website at uptimeconsultant.co.uk or explore the Uptime Consultant Academy. You can also find him on LinkedIn or email him at andy@uptimeconsultant.co.uk. And that wraps up this episode of Masterminds in Maintenance. We've learned about Andy's journey in the maintenance and reliability industry, the importance of lifelong learning, and the potential impact of Industry 4.0 technologies. We hope you found this conversation insightful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights from leading professionals. For more resources and tools to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next episode.